The simple facts are this. I've lived in Toronto, New York City, Los Angeles, Malibu. I'm kind of that girl that knows what's up. And I'm a little bougie. Rolex, David Yurman, Cartier. That's just who I am. You don't have to like it. I embrace it. But I do have drugstore things that I love. Like swear by, die by, and like everyone in my circle uses these too. I'm going to share 3 with you today. Tom's. This is Tom's Wicked Fresh mouthwash. It's alcohol-free, cool mint. When I tell you your mouth just stays so clean, tingly, and fresh with this stuff. I completely forgot to mention I'm also a celebrity makeup artist, so I do like that goes for my next recommendation. L'Oreal Voluminous, the original mascara, the one in the gray tube. I will always go back to it. It's $8. I also have $50 mascaras. L'Oreal Voluminous. Nivea body lotion. It gives you the most glossy, hydrated, like J-Lo looking skin. When you're in those months where you're exposed, Nivea. Anyways, if you like this kind of thing, if you like people to give you tips about good things, they sometimes are going to be expensive. I can't promise they're always going to be drugstore, but right now we're doing 3 drugstore. You should hit follow because that's what I do. I'm just that girl. That's who I am.